guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now I'm sure by the title of this video and the makeup look you must have figured out what today's video is gonna be about. So yes, today's video is gonna be about the makeup look that I'm currently wearing. It's a beautiful glam smoky eye makeup look. Like, I am totally in love with this makeup look, and yeah, this entire makeup look is inspired by one of my favorite makeup artists, which is Kriti DS. So yes, this entire makeup look is inspired by her. She's one of my favorite makeup artists. I love her work so much, and in fact she was also the one who decked me up for my sagan and my shadi. I still remember that day. जैसे 2017 अगस्त में उनकी 2018 की बुकिंग्स खुली थी. I was the first one to go and book my makeup from her. I love her so much. Like, I don't wanted to miss any chance कि मैं उनसे मेकअप ना करा पाऊँ अपने D-Day पे. So I always used to check her Instagram, and जैसे 2018 की bookings open हुई थी, I was the first one to visit her makeup studio and book my makeup from her for my sagan, for my shadi. And in fact, you guys won't believe, I'm so crazy about her. Like, people who are close to me would know, I used to put up in East Delhi before my marriage, and उनका जो makeup studio है वो North Delhi में है. So on the day of my sagan and my shadi, I traveled for about like 1.5 hours to reach to her makeup studio and get decked up by her. Like, I am so crazy about her, and those are the moments that I will always cherish. So yeah, that's that. And recently she announced a giveaway slash contest slash challenge, whatever you like to call. So she announced this contest on her Instagram along with another makeup artist called Fabi Makeup Artist to recreate one of the look, either Kriti ma'am ka ya fir Fabi ma'am ka. So of course I had to be in team Kriti. So yes, I have recreated this makeup look inspired by her. This is the makeup look that she asked all the budding makeup artists to recreate, and yeah, I was so excited to do so. So yes, I have recreated this makeup look all inspired by Kriti ma'am. I love her work so much, and of course I had to be the part of this opportunity. So yes, I have recreated this makeup look and posted a picture on my Instagram as well, so you can go and check that out. And do not forget to like that post and tag Kriti DS ma'am in my comment section. It would mean so much to me. So yes, that's that. And now coming back to the video. So yes, this is the makeup look that I'm gonna show it to you guys in this video. I am totally crazy about this makeup look. I love how this look has turned out to be. I'm so excited for you guys to see. So yeah, without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video and show you guys my recreation of Kriti DS ma'am's makeup look.
To start my makeup, I'm gonna first prep my skin, and for that I'm gonna use my favorite drugstore moisturizer. This is Pond's lightweight moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer I have ever used, guys. This is so lightweight, so hydrating and so moisturizing all at once, and this is my favorite moisturizer. Once I have applied my moisturizer, next I'm gonna go ahead and prep my skin for a better smooth surface. So for this I'm gonna use my MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus spray. I'm gonna spray it all over my face, and then I'm just gonna tap it all over my face so that it really absorbs into the skin. And for that additional coverage, I'm again gonna go ahead and use my Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. So I'm gonna take this a very little amount onto my finger and then just apply it on my cheeks, my nose, my forehead. Once our skin is prepared, then I'm gonna go ahead and start with my makeup. Now first, I'm not gonna use my foundation like I usually do. Today I'm gonna use my LA Pro Girl concealer. It's not even a concealer, it's actually a corrector. It's an orange color. So basically this is used to hide your dark circles and remove the appearance of it. So this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use it under my eyes and wherever I've got acne spots, and then using my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it in really nicely. Now after this, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation, and for foundation I'm gonna use Sephora foundation. This is not mine, this is my friend's actually. Uska shade either, so she gave it to me, and it's such a beautiful foundation, you guys. It's so light on skin, and the finish of this foundation is kind of like matte but not really matte, which is good. So it's perfect, you know, if you're attending any party or something, because it really looks nice when you wear it. So yeah, that's it. So again, I'm gonna use my beauty blender for it, and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face, and then again using the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it in all really nicely. Now once I've applied the foundation, you can see my dark circles are almost hidden now, but still for that extra coverage, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium. It's a beautiful concealer. Like, I love this one more than the Age Rewind concealer. I don't know, I just love this one. So yeah, I'm gonna use this concealer and just make an inverted triangle under my eyes, and then again using the beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it in all really nice. Once this is done, since it's a very glam makeup look, so for that extra coverage, I'm again gonna go ahead and use my Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in a lighter shade. I actually want to highlight my under eyes, so yeah, I'm gonna use this concealer again using the beauty blender. I'm gonna blend it all in. And to set my entire base, then I'm gonna go ahead and use Bharat and Doris loose powder. It's a beautiful powder. It sits beautifully on my skin. I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush and put it right under my eyes. I'm gonna let it sit for about like 10-15 seconds so that I don't have any crease line. And then using my powder brush, I'm just gonna remove it and scatter the entire powder on my face so that my entire base is mattified. Let's move on to the next step, which is eyes. So I'm gonna do my eyes first, and for that I'm gonna use my James Charles into Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful palette. This is like my greatest possession till now. I'm gonna take this nude color onto my brush and then rub it all over my eyelids, and then taking the highlighter shade, I'm gonna put it right up, below my brow bone so that it looks really highlighted. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown shade and put it onto my crease line. So I'm just gonna take about like 30 seconds to blend it, since I don't want any harsh lines. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Basically I'm using this shade as a transition shade. Then going ahead, I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and put it right at the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm just gonna blend it in. I'm not gonna take it all inwards. I'm just gonna put it right at the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna blend it in between my crease line and my upper eyelids. Once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Kajal. So this is what I'm gonna use to create the smoky black eye effect. I'm gonna take my small flat brush and use this color to put it onto my eyelids. Once I have done that, then I'm gonna take my smudger brush, and then using the same, I'm gonna smudge it. And I'm gonna take a lot of time to do so because I really don't want any harsh lines to be there. Then once my gel liner has blended well with the eyeshadow, I'm again gonna go back to my James Charles palette and take this black color from the eyeshadow palette and then put it right onto my upper eyelids just to make it more black. I'm gonna rub it between my upper eyelids and my crease lines so that it's all blended really nicely and it all looks same. Done with eyeshadows, then I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara. For this I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of mascara onto my lashes and just make it more live. So we are done with one eye, and now with a click I'm also going to complete my other eye. So yeah, for that glam look I'm going to go ahead and put falsies. Here I'm using PAC M72 falsies. These are my favorite. They are so good. So we are done with applying falsies, and then I forgot to do my brows. I don't know how, but I forgot to do my brows, so I'm gonna do it now. So here I'm using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. So I'm gonna use this to do my brows. So once we are done with our eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring my face. So for this I am using Sugar Contour Palette. This is in the shade Topper. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use, and yeah, I'm just gonna apply this contouring shade onto my cheekbones, onto my jawline, onto my hairline, and also onto my nose, so that everything is chiseled and nice. After contouring, I'm gonna go ahead and move to the blush. So here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is my favorite blush. I really love the color of it. It's all pinky, and since everything is so black and so smoky, I really want to add some color onto my cheeks. So that's why I'm using this pink blush. It's in the shade Rose, and yeah, I'm gonna take my blush brush and just apply it onto my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, the usual places. Once we are done with everything, now we are on to our second last step, which is to apply a lipstick. So yeah, here I'm gonna use this sugar lipstick. This is in the shade Dawn Fawn. It's kind of a pinky nude lipstick, and Kriti ma'am is also wearing something like that. I think hers is Huda Beauty Icon. I don't have that one, so this is what I found really similar to the one she's wearing. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use and apply it all over my lips. Now once we are done, the last step is to apply a highlighter, and here I am using my beautiful new highlighting palette. This is from K Beauty, and this is in the shade, I guess, Blushed Moonlight. I don't remember, but this is kind of a pink highlighter, and I always wanted to own one. I have got all gold and champagne color highlighters, and I really wanted to try a pink highlighter, and when this K Beauty highlighter launched, so yeah, I had to buy it. So this is a beautiful highlighter, you guys, like you'll see it. And using a flat brush, I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my cupid brow, and my brow bones. So yeah. Okay, I swear this is the final step. So for the final step, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus spray again to set my entire base so that it doesn't move anywhere, it doesn't melt. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. And voila, we are done. And here are some of my beauty shots. Enjoy.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching my recreation of Kriti DS ma'am's makeup look. So this is the makeup look that I've recreated, and I am so in love with this makeup look. It is so bold yet so classy. I totally love the vibe of it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below anything that you want me to know. And yeah, if you really love the recreation of Kriti DS ma'am's makeup look, then please do not forget to head to my Instagram, like this post which is right here, like this post and tag Kriti DS ma'am in my comments below so that she really sees it. I really want her to see this video as well, because of course she is one of my inspiration, and I really want to dedicate this video to her, and it would mean so much to me if I get to hear back from her. And also keeping my fingers crossed to win that contest slash challenge slash giveaway. It would mean the world to me. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed. And yeah, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. उसके साथ एक छोटू सा bell icon है, please उसको hit करना भी मत भूलना. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time.